The topic na about last lady and a boy husband. My people, oh, my people. Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Today's topic na about last lady and a boy husband. My people, oh, my people. Today na deliverance for boy. Na deliverance for a day na girl. The way it is spoil this guy. In fact, we have to deliver him because I don't see and say this one not be ordinary again for video when we see just now. If I still do one that they say. He say this one for mother-in-law. So he get one way happen for America. One man wey talk for America wey say about mother-in-law, all those things, you know. So he want to respond to him mama. He can't use the American way to respond to him mama. I can say, I don't understand. This one where this guy can't do this one now. Because the woman, the man they talk about mother-in-law, we no one let their daughter-in-law rest. Say make them not they disturb them as they be adults now, you know. So their mother, make their mother not they disturb them about their marriage life, all those things. So you can't do that topic. So you can't do that one. I can't see and say boy they say this message. He say not for all the mother-in-law. May they leave their daughter-in-law alone, all those things. I can't they say this one they refer to him mama be waiting they respond to him mama because the one respond to him mama can't respond in the American way. So he comes to talk one word say he go he say if he want he say next month he go do another video to say respond to him mama. He say to Momsi he go send message to her next month make he respond to her. Now say like seriously, say message day for a Momsi now. So okay. Say next month you go talk to a Momsi. Now say okay, nice one. So today now make us see another video now. Where it they leak it they na get armpit. It they leak calm, not be smart you. Now say this one na ordinary again. This one don't pass Joromio. This one where boy they leak they didn't get armpit. Now say this one don't pass Joromio. This one don't pass Joromio, Mama Michael. Mama Michael, where you dey? You have to deliver Michael. This one where Michael dey now don't pass Joromi. So then armpit now Michael come the leak. Before na leg and Bekus. Nah, armpit. This one don't pass Joromi. Oh. More na me pray for Michael. This one, he pass Joromi. Edede na ge. Edede na gbomo. This your own don't pass Joromi really. You now no wait, I don't understand. Like you know, say your mama the social media. Why they do all those things? What did they make you they do all those things? Okay, they do am because of your mama. May look he great son. Like make it look he mumu son. That make you they do all those things. It's not good now. It's not good. This the way you they do so. How you say make the woman feel? Or because you know say the woman don't already fair come out for social media. The woman go they see all those things. That make you they do and say you feel really picky, nothing they happen. Which mother go see that kind of thing when the son they do go they happy? It's not good now. Why you they do this kind of thing? If your pikin they do this kind of thing for social media, how you go feel? Then again, how you go feel? How you go feel? When they allow his son they do this kind of thing to you for social media? Are you kidding me right now? Are you serious? good now. Just see what a person papa they do for social media. Like seriously. If they do it to your own son when you born, you go like him. Just as if for social media, like serious for video, if they lick your armpit, see don't go viral now they everywhere. Don't if you do that then at your leg. Your leg, you want to pull the knicker. Before you go tell and say no, na prank oh. Like seriously, your friend, your ex-friend can come out that time and say, don't be this one ain't see you when you can say pikin, he go like be pikin be like you. It's not be this one I see. But this one what you can they do now, like you know good now. You know say your mama dey social media. Just allow me they even though say you even can they use and like mugre for inside house. But not be done with your cause do and come out now. Eh? One night me pray for Michael. This one where Michael then I don't pass Joromi. Michael need deliverance. Proper deliverance now Michael need now. More na pray for him because this one not be ordinary again. Not be ordinary again no. Because this one where they na gbomo they do now. If you say no not see the happen like serious, not see the happen. Eh? Mama wey born pikin they cry for corner and say you know they allow pikin call am again. See wetin he just can't use the boy turn to. So say na armpit. Iye Benin people who not the hear English go say iye or ilalo. Na boy come dey leak now. My people oh, this one don pass Joromi. Michael down step don pass Joromi. Michael need deliverance. Michael need deliverance oh. Mo na pray for Michael oh. Odo na gi yoga bo. Odo na gi yoga bo. This one don pass Joromi. This one don pass Joromi oh. This one wey Michael dey now. He pass Joromi oh. My people. He. When I see the video, I shocktalize. When I see the video, I shocktalize my people. Michael. Shame no your day your eye again at all. My people. How now see this one? No be say na inside bed then I say that they play. This one now they just they talk for social media, make everybody this year. Wetin they then again they use this thing they do now. Like wetin as the wetin she mean with this thing what she they do now? I don't understand really. What does she mean with this thing what she they do now? It's not good now. This thing what they do so as you know we go thing. You know say in mama they social media. In mama they see all those things. You they purposely do am. You just carry tongue they lick armpit. Michael. Oga bogo when are you here? Mama Michael, you cook bagba. No be more egba you do get mero eh. No be more egba you do get mero eh. No be more egba you do get mero eh. Mero eh. Be no kwa oru eh na. Ne meke ye na ogbora Joromi ne. O na ogbora Joromi ne. This one not be ordinary again o. Michael. So say na armpit Michael dey leak now. He leak armpit finish, come to begin dey leak he leg again. Michael. Oh. Ona na gi yoga bo o, ona gbora Joromi ne. Ona gbora Joromi ne o Michael. Iya ka tell we ona na yoga bo, ina ka fi you joke no. Ina ka fi you joke no. E ben do we ri no. Na come know say na real. Like seriously. Load out this thing purity. Like seriously. Ona gbora Joromi ne. This one don't pass Joromi. Michael. You don't go see another place leak again for social media. Now armpit, now you can begin the leak. Armpit. You don't go see another place leak again. Armpit. I don't know why they are melele. Michael. Armpit. Maybe that armpit now because the way she even look for the list, maybe she never even bath. Michael, no worry, lo. Michael, oh, when I'm bored, Joromi ne. Oh, when I get your bo. When I see the video, I shocktalize. I say, this one not be ordinary again, and I really know. Now I know my people. My people, eh? This one where last lady dey so. When they do now. Now don't we want to me Michael now I can remain. Michael, oh, now so you going to live your life for Europe. Pikin where they say you go school. When the mama carry come Europe. Now you can just be like this so. Now you can be like this so. Eh? Like seriously. Michael. This is your own way. Deliverance, proper one that you need now. Before I be this maybe no. Now I know say you really need deliverance. You need the who want need the my dear. You need deliverance, so you need proper deliverance. Proper one. In fact, a pastor I can have a say na ya run way. A pastor you no go reach. 3 pastor no go reach, we go pray for you, Michael. Mama Michael, where you dey? Pray oh. This one where your pikin dey so don't pass Jerome. This one where Michael dey now, he don't pass Jerome. This one not be ordinary again, no. This one don't pass Jerome. Michael, uno worry me awe, uno worry you, no worry landlord. Okay, well, landlord, no worry ye, uno worry so landlord ye. And pit. Michael, this your own, eh? He don't pass Jerome, by people. Mama Michael, I be also this video, make sure and go give Mama Michael. Mama Michael pray oh. This one where Michael dey now, eh? Not be ordinary again oh. Michael don't pass boundary oh. That's why I talk and reach my people. Who get here, make you hear rambo. Okay oh. We go see on this social media. Now we dey. Thank you everybody. Take care. Till I come here when next time again. I remember your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Share this video for me to Mama Michael. Mama Michael need to see this video. Mama Michael need to pray because this one will last the day now. He don't pass Jerome. He don't pass Jerome. That's why I talk and reach.